such a great song. I think I loved it because I love the way you sang it. It was very sincere, and the ad-libs at the end, yung saktong-sakto lang, yung hindi ka nagyayabang na kaya ito. Parang, eto yun. Yes, I think it's such a beautiful song. Really well. I just want to say thank you for inviting me here. And yun nga, I just want to wish you happy anniversary. And I hope that you continue this journey. Madami ka pang mararating, marami ka pang may experience, mas gagaling ka pa. Yes. So, and I'm also very happy that your parents are Asaman sila? Asaman? Oo ka na. Una! Yay sila. Oy! Oy!
So ito si Miss Rachel sobrang nag-check up on her. Lalo pag may mga nababasa si Miss Rachel, naging nandito naman ako.
No, because I can relate, you know, and I also wanted to not just be a friend on stage, but also be involved, hopefully, in your lives. Yung mga kabataan ngayon, kasi syempre parang gusto kong maging tenga, maging boses ninyo, na gusto ko lang malaman ninyo na I really am just here. And I may not always be there, yung parang alam mo yung mga nakakadiring friend. Yung mga nakaganon, yung nakadikit sa'yo lagi. Hindi ako ganong klaseng friend, but anytime you would need me for anything and everything, I will be here.
So everybody, once again, Miss Regina Velasquez ang kanta ng Rolling Stone. Miss Regina, siya pwede ko isang kanta na. But before we get into it, I also just want to share na sobrang special po. Ito itong song na to for me specifically because I'm not sure if you remember, but I think the very first time that we shared the room together, it was a gala and you were singing
Shine.
yes, and I performed, and it was this song. And I really remember and so it would be an honor, Mr. to sing this song with you and for everybody here. The one and only Regine!
Sabi di ba boss niya?
Once again, Mr. G. Velasquez
Fabulous Marissa!
Ah! Ano boses? Chest voice na yun. Ala, nag-walkout na naman.